Hello! Hello! Can you hear me, my dear tourists? Alright, that's the spirit I want. Maridyaw na adlaw to translate that. Good day to all of you, my dear tourists from Surfers Island. I'm Jennifer, or you can call me Ate Jen, your tour guide for today. To witness the greatness, welcome to Surigao del Norte! On behalf of our coach, Captain Jessie, say maridyaw na adlaw to Captain Jessie! Alright, but first, let's start our head counters. 1, 2, 3, and 12. Perfect! Yes, we are all complete. But before we go to our first destination, I would like you to familiarize with the area, while I'll discuss some safety reminders so that our tour will be smooth flowing and hassle-free. Okay, first, synchronize your time with me so that no one will be left behind. In my time, it's exactly 7 a.m. Second, please take care of your valuable things and don't leave it para maiwasan natin ang anumang magiging problema pagdating sa ating mga dalahin. And third, I want you to familiarize my signals. If I whistle once like this, and wave this yellow flag, it means you are free to take a picture and enjoy the destination. And if I whistle twice like this, and wave this red flag, it means you need to go back to our bus immediately. Lastly, don't forget to smile and enjoy our whole trip. Alright. While we are waiting in our first destination, let me tell you a brief description about the province of Surigao del Norte. Surigao del Norte, known as City of Island Adventure or Surfing Capital of the Philippines, the province boasts forests, white sand beaches, world-class surfing sites, and amazing rock formation. Dito rin makikita ang isa sa mga sikat na island, yun ang Siargao Island. And of course, hindi rin magpapatalo ang Surigao del Norte pagdating sa cultural heritage and tradition like yung kanilang festival na tinatawag na Bonok-Bonok na ginaganap tuwing September 10. Sa festival na ito, ang kanilang dahilan ay to shows of thankfulness of the people at ang kanilang rituals or tradition ang layunin may offer lamang sa Panginoon and asking good health for them. Alright, tourists! We are here now in our first destination. Are you all excited? Tourists, are you all excited? Alright, our first destination is the Battle of Surigao Strait Museum. The museum officially opened to the public on October 24, 1944, where the Battle of Surigao Strait was started, and Royal Australian Navy or RAN was arrived in the waters of Surigao City. Sa loob ng museum ay makikita natin ang several World War II artifacts, replicas and photos ng mga namayani that time and other war memorabilia. Ginawa ito ng mga tao sa Surigao kasama ang City of Government upang mapanatiling buhay ang kabayanihan ng mga taong nakipaglaban sa Battle of Surigao Strait during World War II. Okay, tourists, to inform the creation of the museum, itinayo ito for the remembrance should go beyond commemorating but a reminder that war is madness. And remember, this tourist spot is meant for everyone to educate the lessons of war. Okay, tourists, enjoy the destination and take a picture. Okay, tourists, we need to go back to our bus immediately. So we will able to go in our next destination. Okay, tourists, nandyan pa ba kayo? Hello, tourists! Okay, our next destination is the Law of Pebble Beach. Law of Pebble Beach stands out from other Philippines beaches. Why? It is simply because it is made of an infinite number of smooth pebbles, each with a unique size and form. The stones and waters are crystal pure, especially in summer. Dear tourists, ang mga organ natin na konektado sa ating paa na kapag tayo ay nakapaglakad or nakakapaglakad sa mga mababatong lugar, katulad na lamang sa Looc Pebble Beach, ay meron itong benefits na ibinibigay. And itong beach na ito, making this beach both beautiful and restorative. Looc is the next barangay of Mabua, where the area is typically fishing village, kung saan mararanasan at masasaksihan ang freshest air, freshest seafood, and beautiful sunset, and good for playing kids. Okay? Okay, tourists, let's enjoy the destination and relax! Okay, tourists, we need to go back to our bus immediately. So, tourists, just to inform you, this is our last destination. Welcome to the Asan Floating Village. The Asan Floating Village, also known as the Little Venice of Surigao City, is not only a residential area, but also a community that thrives on livelihood on the sea. And boating tour is one of the activities that everyone will enjoy. The clear water, inviting enough for swim, and calm water surface that seem enchanting. And sinasabi rin dito, maraming mangingisda dito sa lugar na to kung saan may makikita kang mga bata or matanda na may hawak na sagwan para ma-experience yung boating tour. And also, here in Dayasan, you will experience the beautiful environment, floating community, and also taking different kind of activities. Lalong-lalo na dito, pag gabi, mas mag-e-enjoy natin dito, tourists. Okay, tourists? Okay, tourists, enjoy the destination and you are free to experience the boating tour. Okay, tourists, we need to go back to the bus immediately. So, tourists, just to inform you, our day tour is over. Alam ko na bawat isa sa atin ay nabitin or mapapasabi na lang talaga ng, "Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna. Am I right? Just kidding. Again, I'm Jennifer or Ate Jen. Your tour guide for today is now signing off. Ingat!